Very good evening, everyone. How are you? I'm extremely sorry for being late. I know you have been waiting for a long. Thank you very much for your kind. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sumel Ahmed, and I am founder of Sumel Spoken English BD. Now, let me check what topic has been chosen to describe in front of you. Today's topic is the importance of the English language. The importance of the English language, today's topic. What is the necessity of learning English? What are the benefits of learning English? Should we learn English? All sort of questions will be answered. Please keep quiet and listen me. English, English, English. Everyone knows English is a global language. We also know English is an international as well as the richest language in the world. Am I right? It has great influence all over the world. It is undoubtedly true that the modern world cannot think without English. In our country, we also understand the importance of learning English. So, all of us should learn English seriously. We can fulfill our domestic demands by our mother tongue. On the other hand, we cannot perform our national and international affairs without English. That is to say, the importance of learning English is increasing day by day in most of the countries of the world. Can you imagine? Nowadays, English has become a very competitive matter for getting a good job. Those who have a good command in English can easily get a job. Today, various types of organizations often ask a good working knowledge of English. This organization gives priority to those employees who can speak fluently and write a standard form of English. Moreover, we need to learn English to communicate with other countries. And an English knowing person can easily exchange his ideas, thoughts, views with foreign countries. He also can easily gain the cultures, customs, manners of people of other countries. For higher study, what should we do? English is must because English, all books are written in English. If you want to study abroad, first you have to show English proficiency to get admission, to get visa, obviously. And that is why English is required to communicate across national and community and the business world. There is no alternative way of learning English. Today, more than 80% of all the information in the world's computer is in English. Is it? All right. The people. So, what should we do? So, there is a great need of learning English. Now, communicative English has been introduced at both SSC, HSC level all over the country. So, to speak, it is a new outlook into English. Alright, though English is a foreign language, it has become a second language in our country. If we don't learn English from very beginning of our educational career, we shall be unable to produce good teachers, doctors, engineers, technicians, etc. Therefore, we can realize it is very significant to learn English properly. So, we have understood what is the necessity of learning English. Now, what should we do? I think your age is perfect to start of learning English as of now. If you want to utilize your time, so you can see the bright upcoming days. But I do believe, and if you don't utilize your time, so one day you will be absent. Time will pass. So time and tide wait for none. We not believe. So I can't advise you as of now, whatever. Nowadays, there are a bunch of facilities to learn English. If you want to learn English, you can learn English by sitting at home, taking class, chatting with friends, talking into the groups. Despite having all opportunities, why should we deprive in order to learn English? Once if you think and you have learned English and you have become fluent speaker, you can feel your future easy and smooth. You can enjoy. You can exchange your opinion. You can know the culture of the foreign. You can make friendship with foreigners. If you want to expatriate in the future, you need to learn English. In terms of living there, everything has to be done by English. If you're good in English, you can see easy. You don't need any help. You don't take to advantage from others. Suppose if you want to install any app in your mobile phone, if you know how to use, if you know how to what is the meaning of English, you can easily install it. Otherwise, you have to take the advantage from others. That is why my humble request to you, please utilize your time and try to do something better in your future. Don't waste your time, because this is your time. Whatever, what did past, forget it. Please start as revamp. One day you will see what precious about the English. All right, that's all for the time being. If you ask any question, you can ask me. No problem. I will try to reply your answer. Who is gonna be first? All right, no problem. Make the questions. Thank you.